There are many Ethereum competitors in the blockchain ecosystem, and it's often argued that none of them will compete with Ethereum 2.0 once it launches next year. But what if I told you that one of them has already included several of Ethereum 2.0's planned features? This cryptocurrency exists, and it's called Harmony. Today I'm going to give you a quick overview of Harmony, update you on the project's progress, and explain why it's the one token that might rule them all. So let's start the video. Hi all, welcome to TradeDog, the go-to YouTube channel for unbiased crypto research and project reviews. We are a team of traders and researchers with rich experience in investing in global market across various asset classes. In this video, we are going to be explaining what Harmony is and what are the solutions it offers and the features that make Harmony blockchain attractive. So let's dig in. What is Harmony? So basically, Harmony is a layer 1 blockchain network using sharding and effective proof of stake to achieve scalability, security, and decentralization. The network was launched in 2019 and features trustless cross-chain bridges and 4 shards which process transactions in parallel. The EPOS consensus mechanism encourages decentralization of validators, and sharding shares the network's load among validators, delegators, and the users. The platform has integrated shards on its network managed by 1000 validators. 250 validators are distributed across each shard. Its native token 1 is used for transaction fees, governance, and staking. You can purchase the Harmony token on Binance with a credit or debit card or trade it for another cryptocurrency. Once purchased, you can store one on EVM compatible wallets like MetaMask and Binance Smart Chain wallet. The main problems addressed by the Harmony network are network congestion and high transaction fees. With more and more apps being developed on layer 1 blockchain networks like Ethereum, the network is becoming increasingly congested. As a result, customers must pay a significant gas fee price in order to complete transactions on the platform. As of May 4, 2022, the average transaction fee charged on the Ethereum platform amounts to $1.6 per transaction. Here is the solution that Harmony's network offers, that is minimal network fee. Harmony's network can handle up to 2000 transactions per second because of its careful integration of diverse shards. It charges a minimal of $0.0001 of transaction fees for the execution of transactions, addressing a major issue with excessive gas prices that consumer faces on the networks like Ethereum. Another solution provided by the Harmony is on-chain efficiency of transactions through sharding. So basically, sharding is a database partitioning technique that breaks down large databases into smaller and more manageable data shards. A shard is a small piece of a larger dimension that enables validators to manage the entire network in an efficient and decentralized manner. Harmony has brilliantly integrated deep sharding into its working mechanism, allowing its network to complete the transactions quickly and efficiently. On its network, the platform has integrated shards that are monitored by 1000 validators. For each shard, 250 validators are distributed. So Harmony offers some flagship products to the industry. One of these products is the One Wallet. Basically, One Wallet enables users to store their multiple digital assets that are crypto tokens. The product can be used as a Chrome extension just like MetaMask and currently has 30,000 plus users on board. In its roadmap, Harmony protocol has objectified integrating Apple Pay with One Wallet to make the product more interoperable. Another product offered by Harmony's ecosystem is the Horizon Bridge. It is one of the most well-known products of the Harmony protocol. Horizon is essentially a cross-chain bridge that allows users to convert their one token to ETH and BSC standard tokens. Prior going for any investments, we will ask you to do your own research first and then take any next steps. Yeah, so I think I covered all the important points regarding the Harmony's ecosystem here. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you liked and enjoy it. To get more insights on the Harmony network, do check out our report at the TradeDogs portal and join us to receive regular crypto market updates, in-depth analysis of crypto projects, and reviews on upcoming project launches. Thank you.